And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 182. Let's talk about the final other filter, which is the offset filter. And it simply creates an offset. So we can move this image around. I set it to transparent, previous checked. I can just drag it to right or left via horizontal, top bottom via vertical. And the other two options, they simply replace these empty edges now, these empty areas. Wrap around will repeat the image, and repeat edge pixels will stretch the edges, and that's all that this filter does. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.